Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Sabli and I'm from Bachelor in Computer Science, Internet Computer with Honor from semester 6. And today I would like to present about my apps, which is Kids Learning Application. And my supervisor name is Mohd Kamir bin Yusof. Okay, for my abstract is Kids Learning is a smartphone application that use multimedia components such as animation to assist youngster in improving their solution for study, which is in alphabet and numbers. For the introduction, this application helpful for children in learning session because it helps children learn alphabets and, with example, the letter and learn to spell the words of number with proper pronunciation. For my problem statement, I can conclude it is like nowadays kids are much spent on their smartphone, playing game and watching YouTube video. And with all the technology become more grower and more faster improvement, children have little exposure to educational application. For my objective, to design attractive learning education application, to develop interactive kids learning apps for the Android platform, and to test the functionality of the application, which means the software that I'm using is Android Studio, and for my methodology is F6, which is the first requirement phase. Second, the design phase. Third, deployment phase. Fourth, testing. And 5, deployments. 6, for review. For the first one is requirement phase, an abstract and description of this project model have been attached, and the Gantt chart is also needed as my guideline and reference for my project. For the design phase, I'm using the design to construct the application flow, which is use case diagram, UML, and flowchart. For the deployment phase, I'm using the Android Studio for the software to run the application and using Java for the language and editing using XML for designing the user interface. For the testing phase, I'm testing which the application is running or error at the same time. For the deployment phase, this application can be deployed and it will be published to the user for them to utilize as they see fit after it successfully fulfills all the objective. For the review phase, this is to ensure that the feedback and review are followed up with user to upgrade the performance application to another version in the future for upcoming maintenance or update. And for the result and discussion, the result of this application to ensure that user satisfies with this application that the developer has built. For the conclusion, I can assume that to help children learn in their early stage through smartphone, the interface of the application looks more interactive and attractive. And here's my reference. And that's it. From this section, I will run my application using software which is Android Studio. First, I'm running my apps. And I'm waiting. And here's my login to verify which user selected at each. For example, I will choose 5 years old. Next, okay, and this is the menu for alphabet, number, and quiz. For the alphabet, has alphabet A until Z. all this alphabet have their sound, which is I pressing S.
S. S for star. S. T. E. R. Star.
U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And click the home button and we continue to number. I put number 1 until to 10. This is the basic for learning for the age of 3 to 7 years old. And also for this menu, I also put
1. O. N. E. 1.
For the quiz part, it contains 3 difficulty I put, which is easy, medium, hard. For example, I use easy. Set the words.
Well done.
Continue. On.
Well done.
And 3.
Well done.
You can show the score that the user has. So choose the hard. The hard contains 5 questions, and for medium only 4, which means if the
Well
user
done.
got the right answer, it's say wrong. But if the user want to continue the next question, you can continue to the next question.
Well done. Well done. Well done.
The user got score 4 or 5. And that's it for my application. And for the admin, you can show the user score. I log in my admin first. Okay, this is the admin page. In this section, as you can see, this is my admin page for the H5, and you know the score, the easy one and the hard one. So I can delete, and I delete. So if we delete, got now, and this is for my database SQL PHP admin page. This is the admin login. This is the score. So, and that's it. Thank you.